Hi, I'm Simon Chrétien. Let me show you today why it's very important to have good peripheral drainage around your greenhouse. So as you can see, my yard is lightly sloped and my greenhouse is positioned a lower part of this slope. And usually I have a good drainage in the soil, but this year spring is coming late and there's a lot of snow melting at the same time and the ground is still frozen. So water doesn't drain pretty well into the ground. And as you can see, the bottom of the greenhouse is flooded. My greenhouse is lightly above the ground level. So in the past, a few years ago when I built the greenhouse, I didn't care about the foundation drainage. I thought since I was close to the floor surface and I had usually a good drainage into the soil, I wouldn't have any problem. And the first year I used the greenhouse, I was right. But this year, second year I have my greenhouse, I prove to be wrong. So it's very important to install a proper drainage around your foundation. Now I could do it. I would have to dig again and install the proper French drain. But now I'm going to have to dig again and do the job twice. So it would be less work and less trouble doing it first time in the first place. So if I can give you my advice, please don't hesitate to do a little bit of drainage at minimum when you build the foundation of your greenhouse.